Phase-wise development in AI. First phase. The DATMA conference marked the start of the first phase of AI research, which utilized methods for general problem solving (GPS). At that time, scholars generally believed that by utilizing computer code and mathematical models, any issue could be resolved. They used computer data that was thoroughly searched until a solution was found to solve difficulties. Consider the example of a chess game being transformed into mathematical problems with the board, the pieces, the moves, etc. being represented by symbols. The computer would then discover the strategies to win a game in the most effective way and produce the greatest results based on the heuristics of prior games. Initial results of this strategy were very promising, but they did not last very long. Second phase. When there was only a slight increase in complexity, the number of search combinations grew exponentially. In this circumstance, the GPS approach proved to be less than ideal for resolving practical issues. The primary objective of the second phase of AI research was to lessen the search burden in order to streamline and increase the efficiency of the process within the time frame. At that time, 1. Researchers looked for new ways to represent data. 2. The research effort was slowed down due to their negative publicity in the media. 3. The interest in the development of AI systems increased once again in 1982 when Japan announced their 5th Generation Computer Systems Project, FGCS. Third phase. Intelligent Knowledge-Based Systems, IKBS, were the main focus of the third phase of AI research. They were also referred to as expert systems. To solve AI challenges, these systems use particular domain-based data. The key high points of this time were: 1. IKBS worked on data in the form of rules. 2. IKBS was incapable of learning and its focus was extremely narrow. 3. IKBS lacked the common sense that made humans more suited for specific tasks and work. Further phase. So far, much effort and hard work in the AI field has resulted in a large number of weak AI, with few breakthrough in the development of strong AI. Further research into AI means developing a system that can learn and would not need to be regularly updated. 1. The first project based on AI systems that are capable of common sense and reasoning was made by Sci-Corp Inc. The challenges of human language and the high ambition of the project caused it to slow down. 2. However, the recent progress in this direction used a concept called big data. This approach involves capturing data from the web. 3. In this phase, new techniques like neural networks and genetic algorithms are developed for machine learning.